Here is global comics app, comics and manga. Read over 100,000 comics and manga. In here, you can just see all the types of stuff. In this app, you can sort them by new deals, crowdfunding, and so on. Quite a great app to read manga and comics. They have iOS app. You can filter by different publishers, by all the things, and then you can just see channels, and then you can just see, and then there's also chats, discussions, hangouts, and there is a shelf, and there is their profile. Then you can also upgrade to yearly membership for $69, a monthly membership for $7, and that's kind of the app.